Welcome to the Google Classroom and Epic Live tutorial on adding teachers to your Google Classroom. It just takes a few easy steps to add a teacher to your classroom. First, you'll go to your classroom, and it always starts out in the stream, but if you move to the people, you can see under teachers, I am the primary teacher for this particular class, but I can add the as many teachers as I'd like simply by clicking on the Invite Teachers icon and typing in the teacher's name. And then clicking the Invite button. If we go over, excuse me, to this teacher's classrooms, Google Classroom, you can see that it's asking you're invited to teach this class. You can decline or accept. Click the Accept button, and you will become a teacher for for this Epic Live classroom. If you go into People, you can see that the added teacher is there, as well as any students that you may have. When you go into Grades, you're able to add grades here, as well as in the stream. When you go in and once an assignment is turned in, you can go in and you can grade the assignments. If we go back to the teacher owner, you can see that the additional teacher has been added onto the additional owners teacher page. And if we go right over here, you can email that teacher, you can remove that teacher, or you can make the new teacher the class owner, which means that the new teacher can become the owner of the classroom. So I hope that this tutorial has been beneficial to you. Have a great day.